Hi, my name is Steve. I'm a technician here at M2K, and today I'd like to show you our Jaguar and Land Rover system. Before we get into it, I'd like to show you a couple other products that we carry. This is an OBD2 Breakout Box. It allows you to do circuit testing while keeping the diagnostic interface attached. Over here we have a battery maintainer. It's crucial to use a battery maintainer during any diagnostic or programming procedure. Voltage fluctuations can damage either your interface or your vehicle, or both. Now back to the JLR system. The M2K JLR system allows you to work both online and offline for all functions. It also includes 1 year of online updates, as well as advanced and engineering functions not found elsewhere. Other JLR systems require you to be online at all times. This can cause reliability issues when internet connectivity is a problem. They also force you to update the software prior to using it in any capacity, even if the update has nothing to do with the job you're currently trying to perform. This can cause undue delays. The M2K JLR system allows you to update on your own schedule. This allows you to postpone an update at your own convenience. Even offline, the M2K JLR system can diagnose and program any supported vehicle, even Pathfinder vehicles. Some of the other functions that make our JLR system superior include online and offline access to as-built data, independent IDS and SDD engineering software, and online and offline access to Pathfinder engineering functions. Lastly, our kit uses the JLR DOIP interface kit for all included software. Other systems require multiple interfaces for the different applications. And that sums up our JLR kit. Please feel free to contact us for more information or a quote.